Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to make your kitchen experience healthier, more stylish, and incredibly efficient. We're talking about the GoodCook 10-piece Healthy Ceramic Titanium-Infused Cookware Set in a delightful light blue. This set aims to be an all-in-one solution for your everyday cooking needs, and we're here to see if it lives up to that promise. Let's start by unpacking what you get in this 10-piece collection. It's quite comprehensive. You'll find 2 fry pans, a 7-inch and a 9.5-inch, both designed for induction stovetops. Then there are 2 saucepans, a 1.25 quart and a 2 quart, complete with their own fitted lids. A clever addition is the steamer insert that fits perfectly into the 2-quart saucepan, opening up more healthy cooking options. Rounding out the set is a dedicated egg pan, a cooking spoon, and a slotted turner. This is a really good starter kit, especially if you're setting up a new kitchen or looking to refresh your existing cookware. Now, the headline feature here is the Healthy Ceramic Titanium-Infused Nonstick Coating. The big selling point is undoubtedly healthier cooking. By using less oil and butter, you can significantly reduce the fat content in your meals, and that's a win for everyone. We all know how frustrating sticky food can be, clinging to the pan and making cleanup a nightmare. This titanium-infused ceramic is designed to release even the most stubborn foods effortlessly, promising a mess-free experience and, importantly, making cleanup a breeze. This is crucial for everyday use. Beyond the non-stick properties, GoodCook emphasizes even heat distribution. This is vital for consistent cooking results. No one wants hot spots that burn food in one area while leaving another undercooked. The set is also advertised as safe for all stovetops, and importantly for many modern kitchens, it is induction compatible. This is a huge plus, as induction cooktops are becoming increasingly popular for their efficiency and precision. Furthermore, the included utensils, the spoon and the slotted turner, are made of wood and feature soft touch, stay-cool handles. This is a small but significant detail that contributes to a more comfortable and controlled cooking experience, preventing those accidental burns. Durability is another area that GoodCook highlights. The pans are constructed with a heavy-gauge, sturdy aluminum body, which is a good foundation for heat conductivity and longevity. Crucially, the coating is free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. In today's market, this is becoming an essential consideration for many consumers, and it's reassuring to see these harmful chemicals excluded. This commitment to safer materials contributes to the overall, healthy aspect of the set. And then there's the aesthetics. Let's be honest, we eat with our eyes as much as we do with our mouths. This set features a trendy matte light blue exterior, which is quite striking and adds a pop of color to the kitchen. The interior boasts a light beige with gray speckles, giving it a sophisticated and modern look. The description mentions it's ideal for easy meals and is compact for storage, making it a particularly good fit for apartments and smaller kitchens where space is at a premium. The tempered glass lids are a nice touch too, allowing you to peek at your food without lifting the lid and losing precious heat. So, let's break down the pros and cons of the GoodCook 10-piece Healthy Ceramic Titanium-Infused Cookware Set. On the positive side, the set is incredibly comprehensive, providing all the essential pieces for daily cooking. The titanium-infused ceramic non-stick coating is a significant advantage for healthier cooking and easy food release, and it should translate to simpler cleanup. The even heat distribution and induction compatibility are excellent features that broaden its appeal. The absence of harmful chemicals like PFOA and lead is a major plus for health-conscious consumers. The stylish design, especially the light blue finish, adds a touch of personality to the kitchen. And for those in smaller living spaces, its compact nature is a real benefit. However, there are a few potential drawbacks to consider. While the description emphasizes durability, ceramic non-stick coatings, in general, can sometimes be less durable than traditional PFOA-based non-stick coatings, particularly with metal utensils. It's important to stick to the recommended soft touch or wooden utensils to prolong the life of the non-stick surface. Also, while the set is marketed as healthy, the actual long-term performance and durability of the non-stick coating over years of heavy use will ultimately determine its true value. For serious home chefs who frequently cook at very high temperatures or require extreme durability, this might not be their primary workhorse, but for everyday cooking, it seems well suited. In conclusion, the GoodCook 10-piece Healthy Ceramic Titanium-Infused Cookware Set in light blue is a very attractive and practical option for a wide range of home cooks. It strikes a good balance between health-conscious features, everyday functionality, and appealing aesthetics. If you're looking for a complete, stylish, and easy-to-use cookware set that promotes healthier cooking habits and makes cleanup a breeze, this set is definitely worth considering. It's an excellent choice for individuals, couples, or small families, especially those with induction stovetops or limited kitchen space. Link in the description.